What's up? Right. So,
Yes.
Ford Fest has been cancelled, but we're still at Peterborough. They've got like a little meet going on, and I've not brought my gimbal, but I've got my tripod, so I'm going to get you some shots, the best I can. There is some really fucking cool shit here. I'm surprised there is the amount of people here that there is. Yeah, I'll show you all these. Nice turnout, to be honest. Right guys, that was a very unexpected and awesome day. So I went up to Peterborough just to see everyone at Vicky's, but then we found out that there was a static meet happening at Silverstone, at Peterborough Arena. So we went to Peterborough Showground, and there was like a small meet going on there, and it was supposed to be Ford Fest this weekend there, but obviously they paid for the venue already, so it was just organised really well. It was nice, chilled out, a good selection of cars were there. Do you know what was really nice is when we pulled in, and I think we were a bit late, but everyone was really admiring the ST170, which was really nice. I think the people who were there, who made it there, really enjoyed the day. They really had a good time. And I just want to thank everyone for showing their cars, doing something when nothing was supposed to be happening. So yeah, it was awesome. I hope you enjoyed the footage, or little of that I got. And I hope you like and subscribe to the channel. At the minute I'm having a bit of a gearbox issue, so I might be needing a new clutch, which is a bit of a piss take, but I've not had a look at the car yet, so until we get underneath it and have a look, try and figure it out, it's starting to sound like my clutch is slipping. So yeah, till the next time guys, thanks for watching, thank you for subscribing, thanks for enjoying the channel. I'll see you on the next one guys, take it easy.